Life is full of beautiful moments. Don't let mobility challenges hold you back. Introducing Grab Bar by Perk. Designed with elegance and durability, Perk shower handle bar provides the support you need without compromising on style. Hi, I'm Ajinkya and let's dive in. This handlebar supports a weight of up to 200 kilograms. It prevents people from falling and slipping and have a great support role. It can be installed at your home, bathrooms, hospitals, along stairways and luxury hotels. It is very useful and convenient for elderly people, pregnant women, people with disability and mobility issues. Now, one of the best features of this handlebar is that it can be raised and lowered by 90 degrees and 135 degrees as per your requirement. There are basically two products with two different angular attachments. One is with 90-degree angle bar and the other is with 135 degrees angle bar. Model number of both the products are displayed on the screen. With the use of these two angle bars, you can make a lot of combinations as per your requirement. With the flexibility of its design, you can install it on the wall, inside edge of the wall corner, outside edge of the wall corner, diagonally at an angle as shown on the screen, or at a right angle in both left or right pattern. This handlebar by Perk is available in two materials. One is stainless steel and another is nylon coating. Both of them are rust-free, ensuring the longer life of the product, and are very easy to install as it comes with the mounting screws. You can simply drill this grab bar on the desired place with the help of provided rust-free screws and then attach the covering plate as shown. With this handlebar by Perk, every wall and corner of your home becomes a safe place, allowing you to live freely and confidently.